For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Democratic presidential nominee and former Vice President Joe Biden has criticized India. Joe Biden has spoken of the scrapping of Article 370 and Citizenship Amendment Act. Joe Biden has spoken about the issues in India on his campaign website.
In Kashmir, the Indian government should take all necessary steps to restore rights of all the people of Kashmir. Restrictions on dissent, such as preventing peaceful protests or shutting or slowing down the internet, weaken democracy. Joe Biden has been disappointed by the measures that the government of India has taken with the implementation and aftermath of the National Register of Citizens in Assam and the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Act into law. These measures are inconsistent with the country's long tradition of secularism and with sustaining a multi-ethnic and multi-religious democracy.
The article is titled Joe Biden's Agenda for Muslim American Community. A group of Hindu Americans expressed their resentment against this stance of Joe Biden. Indians have asked Biden to reconsider his views on the subject. The website aims to show that Biden empathizes with the pain of Muslim Americans. Comparisons have also been made between Indian Muslims and Burma's Rohingya Muslim minority. The article says, as United States Senator for decades, Joe Biden is known as one of the best friends of India. India scrapped the special status of Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 last year. The historic decision was taken on August 5th. India has defended its move in the international community. India has explained that the special status provisions only gave rise to terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. India has maintained that scrapping of Article 370 is its internal matter. India has also defended its decision on Citizenship Amendment Act. India has explained that the goal of CAA is to protect the oppressed minorities of the neighboring countries. India has clarified that CAA will not affect Indian Muslims. Scrapping of Article 370 and Citizenship Amendment Act had spurred massive protests across the country. Several protested against the Citizenship Amendment Act, calling it discriminatory.